Do I need a mechanical keyboard? Here's why you should consider getting one Workrift. Mechanical keyboards are the least expensive and have better key feel than any other type of keyboard. However, when it comes to gaming, rubber dome or membrane keys have been used for decades by gamers for their responsiveness and low travel distance. A mechanical keyboard is different from other keyboards because they have switches under the keys. These switches are made of several moving parts. A hard plastic stem contains two metal contacts and a spring underneath. You don't have to press all the buttons before the computer responds, so you save time by typing faster. Mechanical keyboards also feel better than standard keyboards because there are fewer parts involved, and they aren't as prone to wear and tear. Mechanical keyboards generally have faster response time than membrane keyboards. Membrane keyboards tend to lag behind mechanical keyboards, making them less responsive. There are many different types of mechanical keyboards available today. The most popular option is the Cherry MX switch, which offers 3 different types of switches, including the standard red switch, the green switch, and the blue switch. Each of these switches offer a different tactile experience.